little friends, welcome back to Learn Fun Boom. Get ready for some giggles and tickles. And today we are opening Don't Tickle the Elephant, a funny, fuzzy, noisy book from Usborne. Let's praise, feel and see who makes the silliest sounds. Don't tickle the elephant. You might make it trumpet. Tickle, 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 tickle. Don't tickle the wildebeest. You might make it grunt. Tickle, 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 tickle. Don't tickle the vulture. You might make it chirp. Tickle, tickle. Don't tickle the jackal. You might make it howl. Howl. Tick, 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 tick. Shh. Oh no! Now look what you have done. What a wild and weekly adventure! Did you hear all those silly animal sounds? I hope you had as much fun tickling the animals as I did. Don't forget to smile, stay curious, and come back for more giggly storytime adventures. Bye bye, little explorers!